Hi and welcome to the series. Today you're going to be learning about, and I'm going to show you how it looks as a small plant. So let's get started and get on with the tour. Hi and welcome to today. Now, you normally see the big trees, but this is a tree in the making, and this is Moringa. It's amazing. It is an amazing plant, and the flowers, the leaves, you know, everything, the stems can be used, and I sometimes even just pick it off and eat the leaves like that. It's got like it's like a salady taste, like, you know, but you can mix it in drinks and things like that. I'm so looking forward to sharing with you some information. It's very easy to grow from seeds, and I've kind of grown about 10 plants. I hope to have, about 10 trees dotted around the place, because the fruit that it produces are these, what they call drumsticks, and it's an edible vegetable. The seeds can be used as well. Again, it's an amazing plant. Now, what's happened here? Oh, okay. So this has grown within the space of, I picked off some of the leaves, and within the space of a few days we've had quite a bit of rain and sunshine as well, but it's grown really big. So this is going to be a good tree. I've got some smaller ones here. Got one here, a very tiny one here. But again, I think it probably needs nutrients, but they say that it grows in, you know, dry deserts, so, you know, you don't want to treat them too well, otherwise it will, you know, not grow well enough. But this one seems to be thriving very well, so I'm pleased with that. And this is the one that I harvest from at the moment, the very young leaves, but it's really nourishing, and it's got so many minerals and vitamins. So that's the Moringa, and I look forward to sharing especially this particular plant, sharing its nutritional properties and medicinal properties. So thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.